Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T50 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and go to phone ringtone. And here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option Add Ringtone, which means that you can enter your own files and set the compatible file as your ringtone. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. If you've got something which is compatible, so for example you can record it or download from the internet, and oh my god, that's not what I wanted to do again. And at the very top of the list we've got this option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to obviously tap on it just like I did before. So just tap on it and decide, oh my god, decide whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I wish to set this this Atria ringtone as mine. So just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.